you squeeze it out?
Yeah.
Let me feel first. Let go. Let me just see. Yeah. Okay. Good enough.
Okay, can I do it?
Yeah. Just blend. Okay, don't hold my head like that.
I
I look bald. I look bald.
Oh, that's okay.
Go.
Just
dab it. Don't push it down.
Man, I've watched you do this so many times. Let's go.
Okay, why are you holding that side? Why aren't you using the flat side?
Dude, you complain too much.
Well, that you're like stabbing my eye. Maybe like scoot this way. Oh.
I don't know. I hope no one can see me.
Can't. Ow! I mean, I just don't get why you're stabbing my eye.
Because you put the makeup in there.
No, I didn't put it in my eye. It's under my eye. Okay, I feel you going over my eyebrows. Why are you trying to get rid of my eyebrows? Oh, my makeup's gonna look so bad now.
Dude, why are you like? What's wrong with you?
What do you mean? We need practice.
No, this is good. Yeah, Gucci?
No,
Gucci baby?
Gucci? What does that mean?
That means Gucci.
Gucci?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you said Lucci. Okay. Can you get me the sponge wet? Oh god. Okay, put this under the sink and keep squishing it. Yes, keep squishing it like this until it's like completely soaked. Like the inside, it's gonna get big. You have to do that first. Let it like get completely soaked. Like in between it. In between. And then squeeze it all out. Okay? Like make it soaked and then like squeeze it out. I'm an idiot.
No, you're not, babe.
Yes, I am.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am.
What's wrong with you? Why are you not telling them what to do?
Who?
The camera, your people.
I'm just gonna do a voiceover.
Why?
Because you guys always end up ruining my videos.
How did I ruin your videos? I didn't.
Like when you guys have the TV on, like you can always hear like.
So now all like angelic perfection.
Yeah.
You like compliments on your hair?
Yes, thank you very much. Do my eyebrows look like twins or sisters?
Hey,
twins or sisters?
Wait,
yes, they need to be. Babe, you're in my video. No, but for real, because I want them to look like twins.
Yeah, they're sisters. I mean,
yo,
they're twins.
When you go do some laundry.
Babe, which eyeshadow palette?
This is so stressful.
Bro, I'm gonna go get you.
I go through this every day.
Bro, like look.
You have shirts.
I can put on a rubashka. It seems like a church rubashka.
That's fine.
Baby, pick out an eyeshadow palette for me.
What?
Pick out an eyeshadow palette for me because I feel like I have a mind block and I need you to like
Yeah,
pick
see,
it up
that's
for me.
perfect, Eddie. There we go.
Yeah, why wouldn't you wear that? I got him that.
Well, I know, but I was going to church tomorrow.
You're not going to church. I mean, I'll go with you, man. Like,
It's getting so cold. We'll see. I mean, if we're gonna be late, then.
Pick out a palette. I have this drawer and over there that basket.
Okay. What am I picking up?
Eyeshadow palette. So something in here and something over there. You can get singles too. Like, see this purple one?
Why is it so broken?
It's not broken. That's just the design of it.
No, it's broken.
You're dumb. This is Lancome.
You just called everyone in all your viewers dumb. You called me dumb in front of all your viewers. That's rude. You think I'm dumb?
Maybe because you clearly don't know.
I'm just messing around with you, and you think I'm dumb.
That's a blush.
Damn it.
Is that no? That is an eyeshadow palette. I never used it before, but it's purple.
Oh no, that's
Okay,
that's
let me put it away.
like Cinderella stuff. That's a different day.
Yeah, different day. Not today. Oh god, that
Nice-
literally
nice
almost
colors.
went into my coleslaw. But it's this eyeshadow palette by Lancome. Do you gotta make all that noise while I'm telling them?
You see how rude she is to me, guys?
No, you.
Rude.
Baby, you're a natural.
Being nice, yeah.
No, at being in front of the, well, talking on camera.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
You know, like, I'm really indecisive.
Baby, there's more palettes right
Do you
here.
realize how long it just took
Go.
for me to find my shirt? Pick a shirt?
Yes, I do, but just pick one good one.
Oh
I'm gonna
gosh.
break everything.
Wait, where is this going? On your eyes?
Mm-hmm.
On your eyeballs?
Yes.
Oh, this has a lot. Okay, peach ice is cool.
Okay, I've only used this one once, so I actually don't mind trying. Okay, so this is the one I'm using today. Thank you for your help.
Yeah,
Thank
you
you.
say this. Hey, we're ready to go, by the way.
Okay, close the door. Let me finish. Wait, where are we going?
I have no idea.
Maybe I need you to choose my eyelid color. Listen, just tell me, should I do this purple or no?
I thought we were doing the peach one. Or whatever the heck that is.
This is the peach palette.
No, that silver one.
This one
Yeah.
on my eyelids.
So what I pointed at. That's the name I said. Look at it.
That's peach ice.
Yeah, peach ice. That's why I said peach ice. Yeah.
Okay, I guess I have no choice but choose this shade. Wait, I don't even know if there's a card in there. I don't think there's a card in the camera.
Don't tell me you're wasting your time and my time.
I don't know.